It's another dark day for the Muslims in our country. We have been saying this the BJP has come to power. They have only spread hatred towards the community. This is one of the examples. They have showed it yesterday. This is totally unconstitutional bill. They have finished the democracy. What about the secularism of the country? This is a direct attack on the Muslims. Now they want to usurp our work property, which we won't allow. And as I rightly said, and I've said earlier also, and I reiterate that against this bill, we will continue our protests as per the Constitution. We will take the due course of law. We'll approach the courts, and whatever our seniors decide, we will follow that. But let me tell you, the BJP has shown that they don't follow the Constitution. They don't care for the minority of this country, and tomorrow they might pass this kind of bill for other community as well. Nobody knows, because they have shown that we have got the strength. We will do whatever we want to. This is nothing less than a dictatorship. So you have shown that, and the people of the country has seen it. So we say that we will keep our protests going on, and we will protest against this bill in a constitutional way. Let the seniors decide. Unless until Modi government takes back the law, we will continue our protests against this unconstitutional law.
You are saying that you follow Constitution, you believe in Constitution, but in another way, Mr. Owaisi told that bill in the Parliament. So, is it constitutional or not?
He gave the example of Mahatma Gandhi, that he was aggrieved, and so he tore away the bill, a law, South Africa. So he's conscious also said that bill is unconstitutional. The BJP is trying to divide the nation in the name of Hindu Muslims, in the name of Mandir Masjid. And so in the protest, I am tearing apart the bill. And so he tear it apart. So what is the wrong? If I would have been in his place, I would also done the same thing, because no Muslim's conscience would allow to see to it that this kind of laws are being passed, such kind of draconian laws being passed in the country. I would have done the same thing. I would have in fact teared it and thrown it in the air. Because see, we won't accept this. This is direct attack on our community. This is direct attack on the things which belongs to our Muslims. This belongs to our orphans, belongs to our widows. This is Allah's property, given as in charity for the benefit of the Muslims. And bringing such kind of draconian law, the BJP government show their arrogance. They show they don't follow the law, they don't follow the Constitution, and they just want to show that their dictatorship is before the nation.
Yesterday, the way Mr. Owaisi behaved in Parliament, that was too aggressive. But the way Gaurav Gogoi, who is a Congress leader, he behaved too softly. He can't elaborate himself about the specific points. What do you say about the stand of the Congress?
Well, I don't say this, but most of the people from the country, majority of them, I say, you will say because he's my party president, I am praising, but I will tell you, he's the best orator today in the country. And yesterday the speech which Owaisi sir gave in the parliament was superb, zabardast, 100 out of 100. And he explained why is the violation of Article 14, why is it the violation of Article 25, why is the violation of Article 26, and what harm it will cause to the Muslims, and why is it not proper for the democracy and for the Constitution, why is it not proper for the secularism. Everything he explained yesterday in the parliament. Hats off to him, but the BJP government, you know, they don't listen to anybody, and they have passed a draconian law.
So one last question, after passing the bill in the Lok Sabha, and if today the bill will also pass in the Raj Sabha, will you knock the door of the court, or what you will
Yes,
do?
as earlier we said that our seniors also have stated so that we will be moving the courts, we will hit the streets. As per the Constitution, we will continue our protests unless and until the Modi government takes back this draconian law. Our protests will continue against the draconian law passed by Modi.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं, और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें। 8 मिलियन प्लस सब्सक्राइबर, आपके इस भरोसे के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद। अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं, और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें। 8 मिलियन प्लस सब्सक्राइबर, आपके इस भरोसे के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद।